This is our app Time Trail, a smart rescue organizer. I'm Aryan.
I'm Kanishk.
And I'm Chetan.
Over 600,000 people are reported missing annually in the U.S. The first 24 hours after a person goes missing are the most crucial, as that is when over 75% of all missing individuals are found. Yet every day, around 1,600 missing person reports are filed in the U.S., with nearly 30% involving children under 18. Organizing effective search parties is a logistical nightmare. Communication delays waste precious time, searchers unknowingly cover the same areas, and without a clear system in place, both searchers and the missing individuals face increased risks. Our mission with Time Trail is to change that.
Time Trail addresses these challenges head on with three core features. First, location tracking. Our app provides real-time visibility of searchers' positions, allowing teams to see where each member is currently located. This allows users to meet up so they can search while staying safe. Second, real-time heat map. We provide a visual representation of searched areas to prevent overlap and optimize search coverage. Finally, built-in messaging. Instead of relying on fragmented communication across multiple platforms, we centralize updates in one place, ensuring that every searcher stays informed and connected in real time.
To bring Time Trail to life, we use these frameworks. First, React and Expo for a seamless, cross-platform user interface. Firebase for real-time data storage and user auth. The Apple Maps API to enable accurate location tracking and visual mapping, and also Xcode and TypeScript.
Now, let's dive into the demo and show you exactly how Time Trail works.
When you first open the app, you're taken to this authentication screen. Let's make an account. So here you have a bunch of different fields. You have name, you have email, you have the password that you want to set, as well as the option to turn location sharing on or off. Location sharing is to preserve the privacy of our users. If you're in a search party with people you don't know, you might want to limit whether they or not they can see where you are. So now we're taken to the home, which is the core of our app. You can either join a search party or you can create a new search party. Let's create one. Here you have many different fields. Let's start with start location and radius. So when you're searching for a person, you might know their last known location. Usually you'll have this as the start location of your search. So right now it's at my house. Let's change it to say that house. You can also adjust the radius so your users know how far they should be looking. Now we can enter the missing person's details. So let's just do Chetan. You have name, age, description, as well as a photo. So now you can create your party. When you create your party, you're given a join code. This is what you're going to send to all of the people that you want to join your party that are going to help you search for this person. If you're the creator of a party, on this party settings screen, you'll see all the information you just entered and it'll all be editable. If you're not, then you'll just see the information. So now let's go into some of the other core features. So first we have the chat. This is an anonymous chat to help users plan their search. So here we can see you send it, it doesn't say your name or anything, it just says what you sent and the timestamp. Next, let's go on to the search tab. So this is only for each individual user. So it'll show the search radius and your current location, and this will update periodically. And this will allow you to plan your search individually, see where you are, how far you are from the radius or the start location, and all that good stuff. And now let's get into the heat map. The heat map is one of the biggest features. So what this is it's essentially a heat map of every single area that every user in your party has searched. So this keeps track of data for the last hour from every single user in the party, and it shows red circles of decreasing intensity as time passes to show what areas exactly that a user has been to so that you can easily plan your search and see where everyone has looked. So right now, I'm moving from my house, and we can see that every 15 seconds, the heat map is going to update, and it'll show a new area. So it started at my house, and now it updates, and we can see that as I moved around, the heat map also changes, and the intensity of the red also changes. So where I've started is now a darker red to show that time has passed since I've been there, and users can plan to go back to those areas and search once again. So Now let's join the party with the different user. So the share code is 2SHC. So let's sign out and we'll join with a different account. So now we join the party. We can see the party that we created. We have all the information that we entered. We have the chat, which says anonymous, and we can send our own messages. And we have the heat map that shows the areas that we visited on the heat map. And we also have other searchers. And we also have live map, and it shows the areas of people in your party. So that's time trail.